What's up mga man? Welcome again dito sa aking YouTube channel in which ngayon pag-uusapan natin on how you can use dating for your self-improvement. Kasi alam ko kung bakit ka nandito sa channel na to because you want to achieve your best masculine version. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin sa video na to on paano mo gagamitin yung dating as part of your self-mastery. Kasi ito yung nangyayari ngayon. Most guys, halos lahat ng mga lalaki ngayon sa Pilipinas is they approach dating na parang tumataya sila sa loto. Ang ginagawa nila is nagbabaka sakali sila, tumataya sila, hoping one day makailangan nila yung the one nila o yung babaeng susuporta sa kanila. Alam mo yung sobrang down sa kanila, yung susuportahan ka kung saan magpunta, yung very feminine, very aligned yung values, yung character, yung principles niya, very aligned kayo pareho. However, hindi mo magagawa yon, hindi mo siya mahahanap kung ang approach mo is dating na parang tumataya ka lang. Kasi kapag ganun yung ginagawa mo, kapag ganun yung approach mo sa dating mo, hindi ka magkakaroon ng idea kung ano yung babaeng compatible ba sa'yo. Kumbaga, you just put your shots out there. Bahala na kung sino. Ang nangyayari noon is, nagsisettle ka sa isang babae na hindi ka naman compatible with o hindi kayo compatible together. So, ang nangyayari is, kapag naging girlfriend mo o naging karelasyon mo isang babae na hindi compatible sa'yo o hindi kayo compatible sa isa't isa, number one, you wasted a lot of your energy. Not only your energy, pati yung oras at pera mo. And bilang lalaki, ayaw naman natin yun. Ayaw naman natin mawalan ng valuable resources. So kung ganun pa rin yung approach mo sa dating na bahala na, baka makita ko na lang yung the one ko dyan bigla, then for sure, paulit-ulit kang mafo-fall sa mga maling tao, sa mga maling babae. You will just repeat the same mistakes na ginagawa mo, kumbaga nagiging pattern mo na siya. So kung ganun yung pattern mo ngayon, meron kang wrong belief na nag-run dito sa utak mo o yung nakaset sa utak mo. You might think dating is para lang maghanap ng girlfriend o ng partner mo. However, hindi lang tungkol sa ganun ang dating. Dating is about growth and clarity. Kasi during dating, dito mo dapat malalaman kung anong klaseng babae yung fit sa buhay mo. Dito ka rin matututo on how to handle different personalities ng mga babae, ng mga nakaka-date mo. And lastly, through dating, malalaman mo rin dito kung ano pang areas ng buhay mo yung kailangan mo i-improve. Kasi dyan talaga lalabas, during dating, dyan lalabas lahat ng insecurities mo. Dyan lalabas yung mga limiting beliefs mo. Because dating is not just about pursuing women. So it's about building yourself while discovering what's best for you. So basically, yun yung dating. It's not about, hindi lang ito basta makakuha ka ng babae. This is about knowing yourself. Okay? Kaya nga dating as self-mastery. Kumbaga, ilalagay mo siya sa self-mastery mo. Kasi di ba meron tayong mga aspect, parang may limang pillars tayo na dapat natin i-work on para ma-achieve natin yung best masculine version natin. Number one, physical, mental, spiritual, financial, tsaka relationship. Usually, yung relationship, yung naiiwanan. Ito, you might be working on those 4 pillars na. So, usually naiiwanan yung relationship kasi feeling nila, kailangan ko muna maantay yung perfect moment bago ako magkaroon ng relationship. However, the perfect time in order for you to know kung anong klaseng relationship yung gusto mo, is isabay mo siya during your self-mastery. Hindi mo kailangan ma-perfect lahat yung naunang 4 pillars, physical, mental, financial, and spiritual mo bago ka magkaroon ng relationship. Okay? Kasi kailangan mo rin to i-work on. And may improve mo siya by dating, by knowing what you want, by knowing kung anong klaseng babae ba yung mag-fit sa lifestyle mo, kung ano pa yung mga kailangan mong improve when it comes to relationships, pakikipag-partner, and malalaman mo yun through dating. So, ang tawag ko dyan is intentional dating. Okay, usually kasi ang misconception about dating is kailangan ligaw na yan. Na you're trying to prove yourself to the girl na ikaw yung best option for her. Pero for me, very outdated na yung ganon, yung ligaw. Kasi usually, ano na yan meron siyang disadvantage for both gender, for both men and women when it comes to ligaw. So ngayon, ang gumagana na ngayon is ang tinatawag kong intentional dating. And ang video na to is isa to sa mga core principles ng tinatawag nating intentional dating. So in order for you to shift your mindset na yung dating is for your self-mastery, you need to think about dating na it's not about getting the girl. This is about learning who you need to become to attract your ideal woman. Yung pasok sa current lifestyle mo ngayon, sa current values and principles mo ngayon. Yung kumbaga yung compatible kayo pareho. So when you're dating, wag ka lang basta nagpo-pursue ng maraming babae, because this is the perfect time in order for you to, number one, get real-time feedback kung ano pa yung strength and weaknesses mo when it comes to building relationship. Number two, discover kung ano ba yung mga characteristics, yung values, yung ugali, green flags na compatible sa'yo. And during intentional dating, dito mo may improve yung emotional intelligence mo and your leadership skills. So the more you date with intention, clarity, and awareness, mas clear ka ngayon kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo sa babae o kung sinong partner yung gusto mo sa buhay. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-aksaya ng time, energy, and money sa mga relationship na hindi naman nag-work kasi una pa lang, hindi mo talaga alam kung ano yung gusto mo. So, anong nangyayari? Nagsisettle ka lang sa maling babae. So, the next time na makikipag-date ka, make sure to do intentional dating. So, that's it for today's video. Hopefully, meron kayong natutunan. Like and subscribe sa channel na to dahil maglalabas pa ako ng napakaraming videos about men's personal development, anything that will help us to achieve our best masculine versions. And I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!